Hey there, loves. Welcome and welcome back to another vlog. I just realized I did not even introduce this vlog as yet. We just came back from the grocery store, as you guys saw, so I'm going to lay everything out on the dining table. I think I'm going to do it in the dining table because my kitchen is so small. I don't have enough countertop space, so I'm going to lay everything out on the dining table. We have to disinfect it first. Usually we disinfect all of our groceries before we add it to the cupboards and the refrigerator, so I'm going to do that, lay everything out, and then we're going to come back and have a grocery haul. So let me do that and I'll be back in for y'all but a second. So give me a second. So this is the damage that we did. As you guys can see, not too much, but we're just going to go over everything. So we have some orange juice in the back here, some birchin or bread rolls, we have some wraps, some toast bread, some, these are supposed to be like cinnamon rolls, but they're a raspberry vanilla flavor. Blame it on Flo. We also have some nut buns. I'm not too sure, nut buns or something like that. We have some skincare products. So I have this, it's just a daily moisturizer. It's from Garnier. The Claricel, this one is a good cleanser for when I'm cleaning my skin, so I just kept using it because it works for me. Some magnesium. This is a retinol and a vitamin C from the Skinimalist. I think that's what it says, the Skinimalist something. That's retinol and vitamin C. We also have some toothpaste, toothbrush, onions, some carrots, eggs, Kaiser cheese, Kaiser, some sandwich meat, more cheese. This is pronounced Gouda. It's a European cheese. It's pronounced Gouda, and y'all call it Gouda, and then y'all correct me. Just messing with y'all. Some more sliced meat, egg, bell pepper, also in German paprika. Salad is lettuce in German, is salad. My husband's milk, my milk is a lactose-free milk. Coffee, wash liquid, some spray, some of my favorite salami, more sliced meat. This is my favorite, it's like an energy water, but it almost tastes like a lemonade, so I like it. It's only 7 calories, so I absolutely love it. We got some yogurt, some Wurst for the hubster, he loves that, and then some pizza for dinner, and that's basically it, minus the water and the wine. And that's what we picked up at the grocery store today. So we're going to put everything away now. is a new day. It's nice and early in the morning. I wanted to beat the sun before it actually came on this side of the house. So we're going to start cleaning all of the windows in the home as well as the mirrors. I just want to make sure that the curve appeal is on point since we've been having so many consistently warm days. This is the perfect time to clean the windows because I don't have to worry about any rain. Hopefully. So we're going to clean all the windows and yeah, just get it done so the house continues to look nice on the inside as well as the outside. To clean my windows, of course, you guys always know I go in with my handy dandy newspaper as well as some window cleaner or glass cleaner. I'm using the Pink Stuff glass cleaner, but of course any glass cleaner that you have will do. I love using the newspaper because number one, it helps me save my paper towels for something else. And it's also very good with cleaning the windows. This is old school, y'all. If y'all know, back in the day, Mama used to tell us to grab the newspaper, some dish liquid and water and a towel. You would first wash down the windows and then you would dry them down with the newspaper, and it always gave a beautiful shine. So I'm just trying to get persons to go back to that a little, and also to recycle, reuse and recycle, because you're going to throw the newspaper away anyway, so just give it a second life. That's it. I'm not going to show you guys me cleaning all of the windows in the home because I think that's a bit repetitive and a little boring. So I'm going to spare you guys and just go on to my next task for the day. Just a quick update on how the potted flowers are doing. My hydrangeas are all white now, no more green. No more green at all. And the alyssum, of course, is just doing her thing. I'm noticing that she's reaching over. She's starting to reach over to the hydrangea. And let's just do a quick check of the paprikas. The paprika is starting to flower, if you guys can see closely. I don't know if I'm underwatering or overwatering because should I pop this off or leave it? Not too sure. Anyways, I'm gonna leave it. The leaves are starting to do this like whitish kind of thing. I'm watering it every day, just about every day, every other day, but it still looks like it's either overwatered or dehydrated. I'm not too sure. But anyway, just wanted to give you guys an update of the plants. And yeah, child, let me give these some water because I don't want them to die. I don't know. The soil is really dry. I'm going to water it again. Yeah, I'm going to water it again. So that's a quick update of the little garden. It is a new day and your girl is still craving cinnamon. I have no idea what that means. I need to Google that because I've been craving cinnamon this cycle and it is weird. Okay. I did buy some little cinnamon rolls from the store, and we also bought some nut rolls that had cinnamon in it. Well, was supposed to, but it did not taste anything like cinnamon, and I'm still craving cinnamon. So I'm going to drag my butt into this kitchen and make me some homemade cinnamon bread. It's the same recipe for cinnamon rolls. If you guys want my recipes, always check out my Pinterest page. It should already be there, but I will try to remember to put the recipe down in the description box for you guys if you are interested. So we're gonna make some homemade stuff because homemade is always better in my opinion, and I hope you guys enjoy watching the process. just to add a little bit of sweetness all around, I like to go over with a very thin glaze, but of course you guys can do your cream cheese frosting or whatever frosting you want and add it to the top of this. But I like to leave it plain, just with a little bit of sweetness at the top, just in case I do want to use it for something else or in another recipe. And if you guys wanted to stay a lot more compacted, make sure that you twist the bread so that you can slice it really thin to add it to your toaster. We wasn't going to toast this, so I was not worried about that at all. This was so good. It definitely hit the spot, so cravings have been, satisfied. Very happy about that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please do remember to give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you're not subscribed as yet, and I will see y'all in the next one. Also leave a comment down below. What would you guys like to see me make videos of? And I will chat with y'all in the comments. Until then, Auf Wiedersehen.